What is up, YouTube? Today is Wednesday. We're going to take a look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and XRP to USD. Well, it looks like a lot of the coins have had quite a run up. My Ethereum's doing quite well, and I actually bought about $6 worth. So I'm back to a full Ethereum again. But I'm noticing now that a lot of the coins are starting to kind of top out. They're kind of getting overbought. We're kind of getting close to the overbought section now. So if I were trying to invest right now, I would like right now would be the time to be selling off. Like if you want to take profits, me myself, I'm nowhere near ready to take profits. But if you were to take profits, I would take profits now. I would wait till tomorrow. If you want to buy, this is just my opinion. Don't try and just solely go with your instinct. But if you're asking my advice, I would certainly not buy right now anything because the market is way overextended right now. I've been watching it all day. And basically what it's doing right now, yeah, you're having little tiny gains right now, but nothing substantial at the moment. Because what you're doing right now is you're kind of sideways trading. And you got to be careful. When that volume starts to tie off, that's when you're going to start having it decline, the price go down. So, what I would do if I were you, wait till tomorrow, maybe wait till the next day. There's going to be a dip. You don't have 2 or 3 days usually on green. You're good. I think we're due for a red day tomorrow, so I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin maybe slip to about maybe 93, 9400. But I think retracement is needed so we can recharge again. Because, as I said in the beginning, we are starting to kind of top out. And it's not, the price really has kind of slowed down. So, if I had, say, 10 grand to spend on Bitcoin, I would wait for it to be red. I would wait to buy on a red day. I would wait till, say, 9,200, maybe 8,900, maybe 9,100, because I know that these levels are not going to hold for long. These are just not sustainable levels. And as I said before, I kind of prefer the stair-step method. I kind of prefer it just kind of slowly but surely go to the top instead of parabolic, because right now we have no support. Any of these coins, even Ethereum, none of these coins right now have a support. I got in at 131 for Ethereum, so I'm fine. I would never get in at $200 unless I thought it was going to say jump to 240, 260 soon. Then maybe I would, but as far as going long, no. I would wait for a pullback and maybe get in at about maybe 180, 190. That's what I'd feel better getting in. Right now, things are way overextended. So let's take a look at the chart here. We started out on Bitcoin at about 92.55, went all the way up to about 96.95, almost cracked 97. So let's just say 9,700. We hit that resistance of about 96.50, 96.95. And then we kind of started retracing again because it didn't push through that resistance level. And it fell to about 95, 98. So it's just kind of hanging out at about the 9,600 level. So as I said, you've got a support of about 91 to $9,600. If I had the money to spend, I would wait till about 9 grand, see if it's going to retrace to 9 grand. Sometimes when you have these really high run ups, you kind of have a little bit of a deep sell off. So that would be the opportunity. Like right now is the time you want to take profits. Me myself, I can afford to wait. I can afford. I only have a couple of $100 into it, so I can afford to ride the wave. If Ethereum decides to go back down to 170 tomorrow, I don't care. Would I be upset about it? Sure, I would. But at least it hit 200, and I'm just going to wait until maybe 260, maybe 300. That's what I'll probably be getting out. To me, that makes sense to take profits. But anyway, with Bitcoin, I think you're going to hit 16, 17,000 again. Some people are projecting May. So let's move on to XRP. Today is pretty much just kind of a day of consolidation. But it does kind of have me concerned because of the sideways trading. Okay. We started at 0.279 for XRP, retraced to about 0.275, ping-ponged all day, and right around here, shot up to 0.282. So between 27 and 28 cents is your that 27 and 28 cents is your support level for XRP right now. I see $1 real soon. If we get buying coming in like crazy, this coin's going to really take off. And as I said yesterday, if I do see that happening, I would definitely transfer over some Ethereum into XRP and just ride the wave up and then get out. But anyway, XRP, if we have another 17, $3 to $4. We'll move on to Litecoin, and then we'll do one of my best favorites, Ethereum. Okay. Litecoin, guys, we started out at about 69.34, ping-ponged a bit, then started going up to about 72, 73.17, retraced, and we clearly got a resistance for Litecoin at about 73.50. Your low for Litecoin today, 71, say about 69.46, between 69 and 73. Once you hit that resistance of about 73.50, that's when you start kind of getting pushed down. The resistance causes the coin to drop a little bit. So as I said in the beginning, I think a lot of these coins are overbought. With XRP, I would wait to get in at about maybe 20 cents. Let it retrace happen. With Litecoin, I would like to see it go down to about maybe 65, maybe $63. Then I might feel a little better. It's just right now you're kind of at the very top, and I never really like to get into a coin if it's at the very top because I don't want to become a bag holder. Because you're pretty much just churning the water for the fat cats. You know, they come in, they make their money, then they're gone, then you're left holding the bag. So I would rather wait for a little bit of. If you're really dying to get into the market right now, go ahead. But if you want my advice, I would certainly wait for Litecoin to drop to say 62, maybe 60. I don't see Litecoin really. Excuse me, I'm sorry, my allergies are killing me right now. But I don't really see Litecoin going below 60 for the next few days at least. But anything's possible in crypto land. I'd say the worst case scenario, 58. 58 would be an outstanding place to get in if it were to get that low. But If the lowest it got was 65, then yeah, I'd feel pretty comfortable. Right now, though, it just looks like a lot of the market's overbought right now. So I would definitely be patient. Wait till tomorrow. If you got the patience, I would wait till tomorrow, see what happens, because I've just got a feeling. My gut feeling is telling me it's going to be red tomorrow, and I don't really see a deep retracement. I see Litecoin maybe dropping back to about 67, maybe 66. So we'll just see what happens. And if we have another 17 situation, I'd say $300 to $400 for Litecoin. Get out of that. Sorry, I'm not one of my more talkative self. It's just my allergies are killing me right now, and this is only the beginning. Because when spring comes, I gotta warn you, my allergies are just murder. All right, guys, for Ethereum. Ethereum's chart's looking pretty good. We started out the day at about 191.64. Kind of ping ponged a little bit. Started going up. 197. And then we went all the way, your high 206.32. Yeah, 205 to 206 is your top resistance. Once we hit that 206, we kind of start getting pushed down again. That resistance pushes the coin down. And it looks like it's hanging out right now at about the 204, 205 region right now. That's your support between 199. I'd say between 191 on a bad day, 205 on a good day. That's your support level. If we have a retracement, I would not be at all surprised to see Ethereum drop down to, say, if it was a bad one, like a deep one, say about 189, maybe 187. Worst case scenario, 185. But then you'll always get a bounce. So don't panic. Expect there to be a pullback tomorrow. I would just expect it. But do not panic, because I've learned, yes, these do drop, but then they always go back and they bounce up again. I've learned that. I've sold out and then felt stupid because it went right back up again. So don't panic if you see the price drop. Hold on tight, guys, because I think this is only the beginning of this bull market. This is only the beginning. So don't just settle for these low highs. Wait for the high highs, guys. Anyway, guys, this is Wednesday night. Crypto Vision signing off. Peace out, guys.